Semester 1.
Chapter 1. Our Beautiful Earth. Our beautiful Earth is one of the 8 planets which revolve around the Sun. The Earth is the home of all living beings. Life is possible on the Earth because air and water are present in sufficient amount. If you stand in an open field, the Earth appears to be flat, but this is not right. Actually, the Earth is round, slightly flat at the top and the bottom, almost like an orange. In old days, we did not know the shape of the Earth. People were afraid of traveling far. They thought they would fall off the Earth if they would go near its edges. About 500 years ago, a Portuguese explorer and navigator called Ferdinand Magellan started a long journey by ship from Spain. He sailed in the same direction. After 3 years of long sailing, the ship reached the same place in Spain from where he started. This journey proved that the Earth is round and not flat. Earth's surface. The surface of the Earth is not the same everywhere. Its surface is made up of land and water. Only about 30% of the Earth's surface is land and rest 70% is water. Water is present in lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. The land is very vast. If you see the land from the top of a high building,
You will find that the sky and the land appear to meet in the far distance.
the place where the sky seems to meet the earth is called
Horizon.
when the sun rises in the morning, it seems to come up from behind the
Horizon.
Actually, the sky and the earth never meet. They just seem to meet at one point. You must have been near a sea. The place where the land and sea meet is called the coast. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air on all sides. This surrounding air is called atmosphere. All living things need air to breathe. We cannot survive without air. Earth as seen from space. On 20th July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first man to land on the moon. He took many photographs of the Earth from the moon. These photographs also confirmed that the Earth is round like a huge ball in shape. Let's understand. Explorer, a person who goes to a new area. Navigator, a person who explores by sea. Journey, an act of traveling from one place to another. Survive, continue to live in a difficult situation. Recap, Earth is the only known planet where life is possible. Ferdinand Magellan proved that the Earth is round. Earth's surface is made up of land 30% and water 70%. The layer of air surrounding the Earth is called atmosphere.
Horizon.
Horizon is the point where the Earth and the sky seem to meet. Coast is the place where actually sea